Hello and welcome to this video. We're taking a look today at RTrader Pro. We're going to look at a feature here that is actually pretty cool. You can really do a lot with it. It's something that you can do with just about any of the pages or windows within RTrader Pro. You can actually export the windows here to an Excel spreadsheet. And what I mean by that is you're not just saving kind of what's on that window. It actually can be a live streaming spreadsheet here, you can see. So right now I'm looking at just the default quote board that shows up in RTrader. But if I go to this button here, the one with the A, looks like a clipboard here, this is the spreadsheet options. So you can of course export a static spreadsheet, meaning that it's going to just kind of take a snapshot of what's there. You can also schedule them daily, so you can have a automatic scheduled spreadsheet saved for you, or you can have a live streaming spreadsheet. And that's really cool for a lot of different ways and really useful for a lot of different ways. So let's go ahead and look at that. I'm actually going to open up a new quote board here. So I'm just going to go to File and then Quote Board. Now when I have that, I just have a blank quote board here, and I'm going to use actually two different expiries of the same instrument just as an example here of what you can do with it. So I'm going to use just the E-mini S&P as an example. We'll use the September contract. And I'm also going to add in the December contract. So I'll add in the ESZ3 and the ESU3 here. Now you see on our quote board, we're getting quotes, we're getting things like the net change, the bid, the ask here, last trade size, and so on here. And you can see that updating live. So if I go to that spreadsheet option here, export at CSV, you see that we have that clipboard here. So if I go to that create live streaming spreadsheet button and I click on that, that's going to open up an Excel spreadsheet for us. And you can see this here. Now what's interesting about this is it works the same way as if we were kind of looking here. You see that updating in real time. So if I go back to Excel here, you see quote board, Rhythmic Trader Pro in the title bar there. Now you see both of the symbols, but you see that they're actually updating automatically. I don't have to export it again or anything like that. It's actually streaming those quotes and those different columns here automatically for us so that we don't have to keep inputting that. So what this means is that we can actually use this spreadsheet here to calculate different formulas just using regular Excel formulas. You don't have to necessarily be a programmer to do some of these calculations. So let's go ahead and just go and do a simple calculation. Let's calculate the spread between the September and the December contract here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in spread here, and then using a standard Excel formula here, I'm just going to calculate the spread here. So I'm going to just take the December contract here, the last traded price minus the last traded price on the September contract. So to do that, I'm just going to use again a standard Excel formula equals here, and this is the L column, so I'll say L3 for the December minus L2. And now we're calculating the spread here, and you can see I just named that the spread, and that's updating automatically just like these other values are. So now we can manipulate all of the data that's coming in here onto our spreadsheet. So it's not just viewing what's happening here or kind of viewing what's already on our quote board here in RTrader Pro. We can actually take these values and do different calculations on them. So this is just a simple calculation using the spread here, but we're actually going to have another video here, another few videos that we're going to talk about some more complex calculations that you can do using the Excel spreadsheet here from RTrader Pro, and having those quotes and other data kind of flowing in here into our spreadsheet. So you can really use it for a lot. Here's kind of an intro here, of course, on how you can use that. We'll also go through some of the different options here. You're not limited to just creating the live streaming spreadsheet on the quote board. You can do that with other windows here within RTrader Pro as well, which can prove useful. If you have any questions about this initially, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website at www.optimusfutures.com.